This is the New Year's resolution that will change your life. If you are looking to make more money in 2025, then you need to acquire a high-income skill. A high-income skill is a skill that pays well and has high demand. In this video, we will be going over 5 high-income skills that you can learn in 2025. The first high-income skill that you can learn is copywriting. Copywriting is the art of writing persuasive text to convince a person or a group of people to take a specific action. Copywriters are in high demand because businesses need people who can write persuasive marketing materials for them. Businesses use a variety of marketing channels to get in front of potential customers, such as search engines, social media, email, and display ads. And they need copywriters to help them craft the right message for each channel. The average salary of a copywriter is $77,000 per year in the United States. Another high-income skill that you can learn is web development. Web development is the process of creating and maintaining websites. Web developers are responsible for the look, feel, and functionality of a website. They typically work with clients to understand their needs and then design and develop a website that meets those needs. Web developers are in high demand because almost every business needs a website, and with the rise of e-commerce, demand for web developers is only going to continue to grow. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the employment rate for web developers is projected to grow by 13% from 2021 to 2030. That is much faster than the average for all occupations, which is 5%. The average salary of a web developer is $105,000 per year in the United States. No. 3 is UI and UX design. UI stands for user interface and UX stands for user experience. UI designers are responsible for the look and feel of an application or website, while UX designers are responsible for the overall user experience. Both UI and UX designers are in high demand because businesses need people who can make their products easy to use and visually appealing. According to Glassdoor, the average salary of a UI designer is $69,000 to $200,000 per year, and the average salary of a UX designer is $77,000 to $220,000 per year. The fourth high-income skill that you can learn is digital marketing. Digital marketing is the use of digital channels to promote a business or brand. Digital marketers typically use a variety of channels such as search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, social media marketing, and email marketing. The average salary of a digital marketer is $135,000 per year in the United States, according to Salary.com. And the fifth high-income skill that you can learn is sales. Sales is one of the oldest and most established professions in the world. It's also one of the most lucrative. Top salespeople in the world make millions of dollars per year. The average salary of a salesperson is $65,000 per year in the United States. But top earners can make significantly more than that. If you are good with people and you are able to build relationships, then sales could be a great career for you. So those are 5 high-income skills that you can learn in 2025. If you want to make more money, then you need to invest in yourself and your education. The best way to do that is to learn a high-income skill. The new year is the perfect time to start learning a new skill, so I encourage you to pick one of these skills and go for it. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you have a successful 2025. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a like, comment below. Let me know what other topics you would like me to cover in future videos. And if you aren't already subscribed, please do so. I post new videos every week. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.